Okay guys, we're at a project here in Mansfield. We're taking care of the foundation. And so just wanted to walk you guys through the progress, see what's going on. This is our third day on the project. We have 2 more days to complete it. And so this is pretty extensive, a bigger property. As you can see, we had to drop in piers all around. And basically it's a big mess right now, but it'll be nice and clean and the foundation will be back squared here in just a minute. And so I want to take you guys to this side as well. We can look at some of the piers. See the piers being jacked up. You guys get to see firsthand how it's done. Pretty extensive all the way down to the end. So foundation, any type of foundation work, guys, any type of foundation work, give us a call. Investors, homeowners, we take care of it all. We have the best crews in Dallas-Fort Worth. Chick, Sticks, and Bricks Foundations. Starting this foundation repair job this morning. Guys getting ready. So putting piers here. Had to do the breakouts in the garage, tried to avoid this part of the driveway. And so we did the breakouts on the inside of those. We good? You gotta come back? Oh, you need to go to the backyard? To get to the other side of the house? Yeah. Yeah, I'll be here in the morning. No, I mean you can no, it can go in this garage. Yeah, I mean I can make room. Turn up the place. Let's just take a look at the project. They're gonna have to come around here. Had installed piers out here by the flower bed, over here by the garage. Foundation, a little repair process like this one. Putting the piers to lift this whole side up. It's off about a 1.5 inches, 1 3/4 inches. So I'm gonna do the whole side, this side of the house, and cut to the front, in front of the garage as well, to get this lifted back up properly. Now, Lane, it's gonna be. They're not gonna be done until tomorrow. We did the landscaping here up front, mulched, added flowers, some other plants, different hedges, fresh mulch. Now they repaired the the foundation. We did the flower bed repair. Looks really good. So now we just get the trees trimmed.